single line on the computer with the help of line function. Line coordinate x and y two coordinate end with semicolon. If you want to prepare the line which having the two endpoints, okay, this is the line segment. So every point having the two pixel. For example, if you want to, this is a P1 point, this is a P2 point. P1 point having the x and y coordinate means x1 and y1. You can give any variable name to that point. So I can assign x1 and y1 here. P2 having the x2 and y2. So this is the four parameter we can represent in the line function. So if you want to display the point, there is a two types of program, static and dynamic. Static means we can assign the value of any variable to the in given program. This is the statically we can assign that particular value of that variable. And dynamic means at the runtime we can assign that value of variable to that particular program. For example, if you want to display line which having the two coordinates, 2 pixel, 1010 P1 and 1040 P2. Okay, means the x1 value having 10, y1 is 10, x2 is 40 and y2 is 10. This is your value of that particular pixel, and we can use the line function to connect the particular parameter to prepare the single line. So there is a structure to define that program. First, we can use the header files. For example, hash include graphics.h, through which header file we have to use the or access the graph related. Then we can use the punio.h or stdio.h, depends on the requirement of the functions which is used in your computer program. So next is a void main, opening bracket and closing bracket. If you want to use the particular dynamic programming, then we need to initialize the variables. So int x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we need to initialize the graphics because initial is in the text mode. So whenever we display the particular image on the screen, we need to shift the text mode into the graphics mode. So there is a two variables is required. For example, GD, which is considered as a graphics driver, and GM means the graphics mode. This two variable is used to initialize the graphics, through which the system is shift from text mode to graphics mode. There is a function which is called as a init graph. Okay. Next, we have to consider GD is equal to detect. This is the function. Whenever that statement is called, that means the particular graphics driver is initialized or detected with the help of computer graphics. Means the system recognize or detect that particular driver and initialize it. After that, we need to initialize the graphics. So init graph function, which is used to initialize the text mode into the graphics mode. So opening bracket ampersand GD comma ampersand GM means we need to display the address. Ampersand represents the address or find the address of that particular driver through which and set that particular mode. Here we can represent the path of graphics. Means whenever we install the Turbo C, we consider the particular storage path. So for example, C slash, if you use the turbo C, then turbo C3 slash BGR. We can use file where we have to build the graphics program. That path, semicolon. Then if you want to display the line, then we can line x1, y1, x2, y2 end with semicolon. So we need to initialize that x1, y1, x2, y2 value at the initial stage. So here after that we need to initialize x1 is equal to 10, y1 is equal to 10 end with semicolon. Then x2 is equal to 40 end with semicolon and y2 is equal to 10. This is your variable declaration. Means we have to declare the value of that variable. After that, whenever system is call line function which having the 4 parameter, he access that x1 value as a 10, y1 value as a 10, x2 value as a 40, y2 value as a 10 and display the line on the screen, for example. After that, whenever we initialize the graphics, after closing that graphics mode, we need to shift again into the text mode. So we need to close that init graph function. So here, first we can close the program with the help of get ch, means whenever we can get any character, we can enter again into the program from the output screen. So we need to get ch, means get character. After that, we need to close the graphic. So there is a function to close the graphic which is called as a close graph. Opening bracket, closing bracket, end with semicolon. This is your basic program to represent the graphics, which is considered as a line function on the computer screen. This is the ready-made function to display the line. In further topic, we consider the different algorithms to prepare the line or the circle. Through that algorithm, we need to prepare the line and we prepare the circle on the given screen. This is the example.